Welcome to Raga's Times Square, where innovation meets convenience. Nestled amid the bustling heartbeats of stations, the pulsing rhythms of banks, and the retail therapy of malls, Raga Times Square emerges as the beacon of unmatched accessibility. Embark on a journey through architectural opulence, where every line and curve of our majestic elevation speaks volumes, heralding a paradigm shift in modern design. At Raga Times Square, immerse yourself in a symphony of innovation and elegance as we redefine the very essence of contemporary living. Take a leap into the future with our dynamic front retail spaces, meticulously crafted to ignite imagination and leave an indelible mark of inspiration. Unveil a realm of infinite possibilities within our inside shops, where double-height ceilings create a canvas for boundless creativity and versatility, inviting you to redefine the limits of what's possible. Bid farewell to parking woes with our seamlessly convenient basement parking, coupled with effortless lift access. As your experience within our premises, ascend to unparalleled heights of comfort and efficiency as you step into our lobby, where state-of-the-art lifts promise not just transportation, but a journey of seamless transitions. Surrender to the spellbinding allure of our grand atrium and cafeteria, where every corner exudes an irresistible charm, beckoning you into a world of unparalleled beauty and boundless potential.
Alexa, switch on the light.
Where automatic voice commands redefine the very essence of efficiency, innovation is not just a concept but a reality. Here, amidst the captivating ambience, connections flourish and collaborations thrive, transforming mere moments into unforgettable experiences. Mark your milestones in unparalleled style and grace within our exquisite banquet hall, meticulously crafted to elevate every occasion to a realm of timeless elegance and sophistication. At Raga's Times Square, every moment is elevated to an experience of luxury and convenience. For inquiries and further details, contact us today and unlock the endless possibilities at Raga Times Square.